Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter. It's a poem. Its name is Jugunu. Okay, Jugunu yani firefly. Okay, it's written by the famous poet Dr. Sarojini Kulshrestha. Okay, so here the poet tells us about the beauty of the firefly. Okay, the poet is admiring the beauty of firefly in this poem. Jugunu, firefly. We all love this Jugunu, isn't it? Fireflies. So you know that fireflies glow in the dark. That means in darkness at night. Okay. So let us see what the poet is giving us. That means giving what message he is passing through this poem. Okay. You know that like firefly, we also should spread brightness, light in our life. Okay. This is the message by the poet. Okay children, so let me read the first stanza for you all if you listen. जगमग जगमग जुगनू जगते, इधर उधर है उड़ते फिरते, जहाँ घिरा है खूब अंधेरा, करते हैं ये वही उजेरा। ऐसा लगता आसमान के तारे धरती पर आ उड़ते, टॉर्च जलाते और बुझाते, ऐसे ही जलते बुझ जाते। फूलों पत्तों में छिप जाते, लता कुंज में उड़ते जाते, धरती के तारों से लगते, लेकिन ये तो उड़ते फिरते। बच्चे इन्हें पकड़ लेते हैं, कपड़ों में समेट लेते हैं। ये मोती से चमचम करते, ये हीरों से दमदम करते। इन्हें पकड़ने में सुख पाते, बच्चे पीछे भागा करते। जगमग जगमग जुगनू जगते. Okay, we will see the first stanza. Okay children, जगमग जगमग जुगनू जगते. जगमग करके, जगमग जगमग मतलब dazzling. That means जगमग meaning dazzling light. You know that fireflies dazzling lights in the darkness. Okay, like that they are twinkling. They are twinkling like stars, isn't it? That will come in next line. Next stanza. Here, Jugnu, the fireflies, dazzling at the night. That means in the darkness. Okay, dazzling the light. You know that we all love to see fireflies. इधर उधर है उड़ते फिरते. इधर उधर क्या है? Here and there. These fireflies are flying here and there. They are not sitting somewhere. They are not staying somewhere for a few minutes. They are flying here and there all the time at night. जहाँ घिरा है खूब अंधेरा. जहाँ खूब अंधेरा घिरा हुआ है. Okay, what it means? Where the dense darkness, thick darkness spreads. No, that place. At that place we can see these fireflies. करते हैं वह वही उजेरा. ये वही उजेरा. उजेरा यानी उजाला. वहाँ उजाला देते हैं. जहाँ खूब अंधेरा है. The place where there is darkness, thick darkness. Where we can see these fireflies are spreading light. That means giving light, isn't it? Shining there. So definitely we can say that in darkness fireflies are spreading light for us, isn't it? ऐसा लगता आसमान के तारे धरती पर आ उड़ते. क्या लगता है? ऐसा लगता है. We feels like this. What we feel is when we see fireflies, we feel that आसमान के तारे हैं. ये आसमान के तारे हैं. These are the stars of sky. We know that these are the stars actually, just like stars. The stars are coming down from the sky. आसमान से तारे नीचे आ गए हैं. ऐसा लगता है. When we see fireflies, we feel that yeah, the stars are coming down to the earth. Okay, on the earth, the stars from the sky, they are coming down. Okay. Torch jalate और बुझाते. Just like stars, they are twinkling. Just like torch. No, when we light any torch, what will happen? It will give us light, isn't it? It spreads light. Okay, just like that, the torch, when we on the torch and when we off the torch, what will happen? The same reaction is there when the fireflies, flies here and there, isn't it? So ऐसे ही जलते बुझ जाते, ऐसे टॉर्च की तरह, ऐसे ही, like that, like torch itself, they gives light, they on and they off themselves, isn't it? फूलों पत्तों में छिप जाते, these fireflies will hide among the flowers and leaves, फूलों पत्तों में, in the flowers and leaves, isn't it? लता कुंज में उड़ते जाते, these fireflies will fly, they are flying in the creepers, that means in the creepers and bushes everywhere, okay. धरती के तारों से लगते, they are just like, seems like the stars on the earth, okay, stars on the earth, okay, stars are not there on the earth, stars are there at the sky only, isn't it? But here fireflies are stars of our earth, okay. लेकिन ये तो उड़ते फिरते, stars are, we can see stars are fixed at some word, staying some word, constant, like that we can see at sky at night, we can see the stars are there at the sky, not moving here and there. But here one difference is there, they are glowing like stars, these fireflies are glowing like stars, but what is the difference? They are moving here and there, flying here and there, okay. बच्चे इन्हें पकड़ लेते हैं, कपड़ों में समेट लेते हैं, बच्चे क्या करते हैं? Children are catching these fireflies, we all like to catch fireflies and we like to wrap these fireflies in kapda. What is kapda? In clothes, in dress or clothes, piece of clothes, isn't it? So it's very nice to see that when we wrap the fireflies inside the cloth, what we can see, the reflection of the light from outside, no? It's very nice to see and we all enjoy this situation. Okay, now ये मोती से चमचम करते, now ये fireflies कैसे चमचम करते, कैसे ग्लो करते हैं, शाइन करते हैं, how they shines, how they glows, you know, मोती जैसे, ये मोती से क्या करते हैं? चमचम करते हैं, like मोती, like pearls. These fireflies are glowing, isn't it? These fireflies are glowing like pearl, precious pearl, very beautiful to see. Now ये हीरो से दमदम करते हैं, हीरो जैसे, हीरे जैसे और हीरो जैसे दमदम करते हैं. दमदम करना also means what? ग्लो करना, है ना? So हीरो के जैसे, डायमंड्स की तरह, डायमंड के जैसे ये शाइन करते हैं. They are very beautiful to see, like diamonds, okay. इन्हें पकड़ने में सुख पाते, बच्चे इन्हें पकड़ने में सुख पाते हैं. सुख पाना, to feel happiness, to enjoy, isn't it? To become happy. So बच्चे like to, that means children like to catch these fireflies. We all like to catch fireflies, no? So बच्चे पीछे भागा करते, for that, for catching these fireflies, children will run. They used to run behind the fireflies. Are you running like that for catching the fireflies? Yes, like that. The same way the children are flying. No, all the children are flying behind the fireflies for catching it. जगमग जगमग जुगनू जगते. Yes, again the point says that ये जुगनू जो है वो जगमग करते हैं, जुगनू है ना, वो ग्लो होते हैं darkness में, dark में, है ना. So it gives light. So like fireflies, we also should bring light in our lives, spread lights in our life. Okay, this is the poem written by Sarojini Kulshrestha, Dr. Sarojini Kulshrestha. It's a nice poem about Jugnu, and actually it's attracting the children towards this poem, isn't it? And poet gives you a fine message, a good message that we also should spread light in our lives, in this world, like fireflies. Okay, remove the darkness from our lives. Okay, read the poem very well, children. Study all the grammar section, what I am giving in online session. Okay, then meanings, synonyms, opposites, etc. His chances also. Okay, then bye.